Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting the supply, open settings and switch mobile data off right away. This halts new cellular traffic. Once done, enable data saver so apps can't chew background bytes, which reduces surprise spikes. Next, go to data usage and sort apps by consumption to spot the worst offenders. Apps using more than 5% per day are priority candidates for restriction. Make sure to keep Wi-Fi on for trusted networks so essential syncs continue safely. Now take control of each app. Tap an app in data usage and disable background data. Force stop it to immediately cease activity. Next, set a monthly data limit and a warning a bit below your plan so you get a clear alert before overage. This enforces discipline. Also, turn off Wi-Fi assist and prevent auto updates over cellular to avoid stealth downloads. Finally, review sync settings for mail and social apps so they fetch manually or less frequently. Finish by resetting the data statistics so your limits and warnings align, then monitor daily peaks to confirm reductions. Restart the phone after making these changes, and if an app still leaks data, toggle airplane mode for 30 seconds to force a fresh network attach. If problems persist, remove or reinstall the offending app, check carrier settings for background services, and consider contacting support. One troubleshooting tip: if an app re-enables data, disable its permissions or uninstall it to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.